Hi, I'm Femtech.
And I'm Tammy.
I'm here to tell you about some of the hidden features in Plotagon.
What kinds of features?
Well, for one thing, the fade in that we just did at the start of the scene. Just type /fade in B to get it. You can also fade in from white or pixels, and you can fade out again.
That's pretty cool.
You can even control the timing. For example, compare the 100% fade that occurs over this shot with this 50% fade in, which is half as long.
Wow. I love it. What are some other features? What just happened?
Just type /old to make your movie black and white. Or type retro to get a sepia tone.
You know what? I think I like this.
And you can always type normal if you want to get it back to the regular colors.
Very cool.
So how should we end the movie?
Fade out.
Copy the hidden feature in the description catalog. Please subscribe for more updates.